Food safety first, the basics of proper food handling. Hello everyone. Welcome to another exciting lesson in our series on food and dining. Today, we're going to be exploring a very important aspect of cooking: proper food handling. It's vital to know how to handle food correctly to maintain its freshness, prevent cross-contamination, and keep ourselves and others healthy. So, let's get started. Proper food handling is essential to ensure the food we consume is safe and won't cause any health issues. It involves various procedures such as correct washing, cutting, cooking, and storing of food. If food isn't handled properly, it can lead to foodborne diseases caused by bacteria, viruses, and parasites. In this section, we'll dive into these procedures and give you some practical tips on how to handle food safely. When it comes to washing, it's crucial to wash your hands thoroughly before and after handling food, especially raw meat, poultry, and seafood. This prevents the transfer of harmful bacteria and viruses. The next step is to wash your food. Most fruits and vegetables should be washed under running water before eating, cutting, or cooking. However, avoid washing raw meat and poultry, as this can actually spread bacteria to your sink and countertops. When cutting food, always use a clean cutting board and knife. It's a good practice to use separate boards for raw meat and ready-to-eat foods like fruits and vegetables to prevent cross-contamination. When it comes to cooking, it's essential to cook food to the right temperature to kill any bacteria present. For this, you might need to use a food thermometer. Finally, storing food is a critical part of food handling. Remember, you should refrigerate perishable food within 2 hours, and when storing, raw meat should be kept separate from other foods to avoid cross-contamination. Also, never consume food that is past its expiration date. It's crucial to keep your kitchen, utensils, and cutting boards clean. After preparing food, always clean and sanitize your cooking area. This can be done with hot soapy water or a kitchen-specific sanitizer. Well, that's it for today's lesson on proper food handling. Remember, being careful with how we handle food not only ensures it tastes great, but it also helps us stay healthy. So, let's take these tips to heart and ensure we're making our kitchens as safe as they can be. Thank you for joining us today, and we hope this video has been helpful to you in learning English and understanding the importance of food safety. Happy learning and cooking!